Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Oh, buddy, it looks like I'm after this red Jeep right here, but it looks like I'm blocked in, guys. In fact, I am. There's no way I can squeeze this out of this little space. But you know what, guys? What is this? A Ram 1500? Let's do something, guys. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take this time to show y'all something. Okay, the door is unlocked, and there's nothing in front of me, guys. What is this? Yes, it's the rotary shift, guys. It's just so you know, any cars equipped with electronic rotary shifter has to have a way. In fact, they all have to have a way for you to override the shifter. Okay, in the event, just say, guys, your battery dead, you can't even turn it and put it in neutral. So you must, I think it's the law if I'm not mistaken, there must be a way to override the shifter, guys. As a matter of fact, I will show y'all what's Dodge 1500, guys. If that's a rotary shifter, it likely has an 8-speed transmission in it. Shift override somewhere near the shifter, guys. In this particular car, because this is a rotary, you have to have a way to get it's in here, guys. So hopefully you got your key or something sharp on you, important. I happen to have a screwdriver in my pocket. Go figure. All right, the purpose of that, guys, you got to get inside of here. Yes, this particular model, they are hiding the shift override cable right here, guys. Okay, keep in mind this is a Dodge Ram 1500. Okay, so I'm finna get inside of it and put my foot on the brake, and we're gonna roll down some as soon as this other stupid truck get out of my way. But I figured I'd take the time out to show you guys how to do this. All right, so I am in the car, feet on the brake. Let me close this door. Now, guys, what you want to do, all right, so we have the cover removed, guys. Now, here's the orange string you have to pull to go in the shift override. But notice right off the bat, you cannot just grab this and pull. See what I'm doing? There's a release mechanism right here, guys. So that same object that you use to remove this cover, whether it be a key or a small screwdriver or whatever, you're gonna need to push this little tab right here in. Let me get y'all a closer view. This right here, it's gonna have to go inward. Here's the same screwdriver that I use to get the cover off. See that? With me doing that, you got to do it at the same time. So when you move that over, now you will be able to pull the string. All right, let me see if I can do it using one hand. All right, guys, so I have my lever over. Now I can pull the string. Make sure your feet on the brake because you are about to roll in the event you're on an incline. All right, so just pull. Now, guys, we're in neutral. So we're basically in neutral because this is locked in place at the time, right now. So you can unlatch that, but right now I just want to roll. As y'all can see, I am rolling. I don't know if you can see it, but yes, I am rolling, creating space for that Jeep to drive out. That looks about enough room right there. All right, now keep in mind, that's the first thing I was about to reach for, to put it in park, but there is no such. All right, so we got to use this to put it in park, the same way we use to get it in neutral. All right, guys, so because it was latched into place, the same tool you use to slide that yellow tab over, you're going to need it again to unlatch it out of place. I've already activated, so now I can release it. Now it's back in the same spot. Okay, and from there, guys, just put your cover back on. But that is the emergency way to activate your shift override in the event there is an emergency. Just simply put the cover back on. All right, in the event your battery dead, or tow truck drivers should really know this information, but every car, let me say this again, every car has to have some form of shift override. Guys, the car industry is changing right before our eyes. Now, this is 2015. This is a physical key, but it's not a blade key. So that is technology in itself. Now, with most of the newer cars, it's simply push button, push to start. Everything is changing, whether you like it or not. You can't say, I want a car with a blade. You can't say I want an actual physical shifter if you want a new car, because the new cars are changing right before our eyes. So you just gonna have to change along with it and learn the process as you go, because you have no choice. All right, guys. Now I can proceed to doing what I was doing. Now I don't know if the customer or mechanic gonna come out and get this and notice it was moved, but I'm only interested in getting my Jeep out, getting this Jeep out so I can go drive it. Yeah, y'all see all that room now? Ooh, did I go up enough? Yeah, I went up enough. I just probably should have went up a little bit more. All right, guys, that's all I have. Now I'm gonna finish this video off with some Q&A, some questions and answers, okay? Because I have a lot of questions and answers I want to get off my chest. Some questions I got on my YouTube channel. All right, they may help you, it may not, but for those of you that want to listen, enjoy. All right, that's all I have. Stay tuned for Q&A. I got a few. I am way behind on comments. All right, and I hate I don't see red. Y'all see what I see? I don't see these little red buttons right here. Represents you being subscribed. And I don't know, man. Okay, I'll check codes and get back to it. Appreciate that, man. Charger you worked on it had 22-inch wheels. It did have some big wheels on it. Matter of fact, you're right. I didn't have to change anything. I just changed the engine, so I didn't have to adjust tire size or anything like that. And I don't know. I can't. This guy. Let me tell you something about that. He that same Charger you talking about, Obama for Trump. That same Charger you talking about. Of course, they had big wheels on it, so the tire pressure sensors was not reading. So I had codes all in the wireless control module for internal tire pressure sensors because the sensors are gone. All right. So if your skim module is not reading the tire pressure monitors correctly, yeah, you could have some problems. But I want to know now. You're making me wonder how guys pulling that off. They put the big wheels on it. There is no more tire pressure monitoring, which means the skim module or RKE or whatever is going to go crazy because it's just going to throw codes, but there will not be any kind of light on. It's just the code's just going to be in the memory. It's going to say something like internal tire pressure monitor failure or something like that. So as far as traction control, I don't think that's going to be any bearing on your traction control functions, okay, with the big wheels. I mean, yeah, I'm sure everybody knows the nag, all four tires have to be the same size. If there's any discrepancy, yes, you're going to have all kinds of weird, stupid fault codes. So get that out of the way now. But you don't have a nag, you have a 42 RLE. Aftermarket tire size programmer can be added. Really? Aftermarket tire size programmer. Yeah. Okay, so I guess they're gonna tie in into one of the other modules that need. All right, Trey 3Cs, what's going on, my man? We just chopping it up, man. No big deal. So it's raining outside, so I figured I'd chime in and answer a few questions. Yeah, man. On these questions, I don't see. I mean, I don't like to be like that, but the cats with the red boxes right here, that red represents you are subscribed. Okay, this guy commented on the video I put with the squirrel. Hey guys, I set my trap, man. I got the as far as the squirrel go. I went up there, got the cheese on the trap, tires in the ABS. Okay, the tire now there goes another problem. There goes another hurdle you might have. Getting inside the ABS. Okay, via scan tools. You don't have to have a scan tool, but your typical, thanks people, God bless. Yeah, your typical scan tools won't let you in the ABS. But yeah, so you got a decent scan tool y'all to get in there. Where did you buy it from? My man commented on the old PT Cruise I had with the trunk won't let up. I got that part from a dealership just in case he's watching. I don't know if he's watching. Elizabeth M, I know she is subscribed. This helped me truly know where my Bank One sensor 2 on my Hemi is. Okay, she commented on the video I did a while ago explaining how to locate bank 1, bank 2, O2 sensor, guys. Very simple. The cylinder that's closest to the front typically going to be cylinder 1, which will make that bank 1. We're talking about a typical V engine. All right. So obviously the other side is bank 2. So once you figure that part out, you'll be able to tell O2 sensors, bank 1 and bank 2, upstream and downstream. There's only 2, one before the cat and one after the cat. So she thanked me for that that little knowledge I spit out.